It takes two to tango, but for this class, you don't need to be an expert or even have a dance partner, because you can find one here. This class is part of Jam Sessions, a collaboration between the Ford Theater Foundation and the Department of Beaches and Harbors. It's one of many community events held in Marina del Rey and offers something for everyone.
We wanted to do this because we knew, like so many things that we do here in the marina, that dancing would bring people closer together, and that they wanted to learn things and do things in groups and get to know each other and come and do things with their friends. And so that's why, just to build community and have a good time, get a little exercise in, have a little culture, learn something new.
Jam sessions feature a range of music and dance forms that give participants a chance to sing, dance, and create with professional artists. This session was taught by instructors from the Oxygen Tango Dance School. Tango is the Argentine musical genre originating from the 19th century. The lyrics mark sadness for lost love.
I love tango, and I live in Marina del Rey, and I know about the summer series, and so I'm here to enjoy it.
I love it because it lets the neighborhood and people nearby to not only meet each other, but also to express, just culture and like being together.
The jam sessions are for people of all ages and skill levels. It's really about participating in an interactive session. And when the lessons are done, people can hop on over for a movie night. And all of this is free. The movie being shown tonight is the classic Dirty Dancing. And of course, you can't enjoy the big screen without popcorn. Attendees love the combination of these events.
Love the entire concept. It's a great connection. Have a dance lesson and then go sing a dancing movie. If they could do more connections like that, it would be wonderful.
I love how the county is able to bring everybody together like this and throw an event like this. It's really nice.
Check out beaches.lacounty.gov for more events. From Burton Chase Park, I'm Rasha Goel.